Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project. Just want to watch for these bubbles going through like this. That's about the speed you want to see them going in. There's a real fine line between these bubbles going in, this port taking epoxy. You got to know just how much pressure to put on there. If not, you could fill up this whole crack full of epoxy. Go just a little too hard, blow a port off the wall, blow one of these where it's sealed between the epoxy ports, and you're going to lose your entire bunch of epoxy. I've been doing these projects for over 20 years. This project here got about 500 ports to go. You can follow this project, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. Watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Need foundation repair, epoxy injection. Get a hold of me, Jade Alpine. See you guys on the next video.